Welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I am with these people. Do you know these people? I'm with them. This is Andrea. This is Jeremy. This is Margie. This is Loisel. This is Hey Girl, Babe Look, Baby. And this is the nonchalant. Yeah, it's Alvar. And for today's video, guys, what I'm going to tell you. Joke lang. Ano ba yung anak mo ngayon? Okay, guys, so I feel so pretty. Lois, sayawin natin. Lois, sayawin natin. Bibidyo ko. Saan pa na? Okay. Meron kami sali. Duwa-duwa ang play. 1, 2, 3. Alam ba, ikaw na sa camera, Ben. 1, 2, 3. Ay, paharap na ba yun?
Hindi, mag-algano tayo. Magharap.
Ay, okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello guys. Say hi vlog. Hi vlog. Say hi vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Ayaw niyo ba kayo sa vlog ko? Kakancel ko to. Ay. Anyway guys. See ya. So you're my sister. She is my sister. She is my cousin. Look this way. Wow.
Sana si Brent yan.
Guys, you know, life is so hard. But this is Jad Ong. Yeah, it's Jad Ong's long lost wood.
Ate, di ka lang tanga.
Why am I so pretty? I don't get it, right? I'm so pretty. Well. Okay. Mekan ba duwa ito mga ramit na? Ay?
Hindi makabati.
Ano? Anyways. Tingnan mo. Is that Trixie? Why are you? Oh, I thought it's Alani. Cool, let's not be guys. Tuka?
Nakatama ka wala.
Diba? Siya ba yun? Blow up lang.
Move out?
That's so crazy. I don't like it. You do. Like, I hate it so much.
Karoon mo pa ni Kuya
Power?
Jeremy.
I don't know. Don't do it.
Yun, nabas with the bag mo. Yung time na may ito yata.
Guys. Check. Top from Ukay, skirt from Ukay, slippers from us, and it's made from my mom and dad. The Upios.
Ano yun?
Bye guys. No, I mean.
Ang ganda niya naman.
People here are so busy. Guys. How dare you pull me like, push me like, pull me in and Guys, this video doesn't have any sense. No common sense, nonsense.
B, ano yan, B?
Present tense. What's that? Oh, girl, yung pag nagpapukis ka.
Ano kong bunat?
Mas pogi ka atan, mas clean boy ka kitan atan.
Puto to na, oh my gosh.
Hide me now under your wings. Ang pinagpintas camera ka, Tor. It's just me. Ako lang. Gusto ni Marjay. Mga batang ito, laro. Guys, so not 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Guys, you know, wala talaga akong tulog. Like as in, wala akong tulog. Like, grabe. Wala akong tulog. Di ako natulog. I tried to sleep but I cannot sleep. So, di ako natulog. Punta ako ng church, walang tulog. What am I? Immortal? Vampire? Yes. Please say bye. Say bye to my mom. Bye. Subscribe. I actually have a YouTube channel. You know? Search my name. Yeah, I have like 400 followers right there. I have 400 views too. They are so loyal to me.
Ano ang gagawin mo kapag nalaman mong may kapatid ka sa labas?
Matakasugin.
Ha, nag-corny.
Maingay kapag kinakain. Carla? Sino si Carla?
Ako. Gosh. Ikaw, maingay ka ba?
No, I'm not.
Bakit? Ingay mo, lagi kang maingay. Lagi siyang maigagay. Sasabihin ko, Loisal, please 1 minute. Huwag ka muna magsalita. She cannot. She can't. Asa na si Loisel? Ayun, tumahimik na siya.
Yes? What's wrong?
You're so pretty. Do you know that?
Yes.
Am I pretty too?
Yes. Do
Are
you know
lying?
that too?
Ah, yes, of course. So much. Yes, are you pretty? Ito sa camera ka to. Pili, ada sa pinindot ko. Are you pretty? Ano, pitas ka camera.
Kasi chong.
Kita ma, selamang gatak ko. Baba. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void. The darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Friend mong nag-swimming, ikaw na yun. Yeah, guys, she's talking about the life of Tangerine.
Tangerine.
Tangerine. I love that series. I love that K-drama. So that would be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Come on, vamos. Everybody, let's go.
Pinakuhanan ko ng
May favorite akong kanta ni Barney. I love you, Barney. Let's go out and feel Barney with the pig.